we made it to the end of the 12-day Emotion Paint Challenge. First, I want to say a big thank you to everyone and every single one of you who participated, engaged, and learned with me throughout these 12 days. It's been an incredible journey, and I'm so proud of everyone who followed along, experimenting and improving their paint making skills. Now, for those who want any of this formulation challenge, congratulations. Please comment below with your email address or send me a DM with your email details so I can verify and send you your formulation. The link to connect with me is in the description below. Remember, I need to confirm it is you before sending the formulation, so send me your details as soon as possible. For those who didn't participate in the challenge, don't worry, you can still get the 12 new method Emotion Paint ebook, which contains all the expert formulation from day 1 to day 12. The link to get your copy is in the description, and it's not for free. Yes, and for those who participated from day 1 to day 12, you get a special discount on all 12 formulation. You also get the standard formulation for the first day Emotion Paint for free. You understand? And if you want the other 11 formula, then it's going to be available at a discount price just for you. You understand? So you're going to check the link is going to be in description. So you're going to see a different links for those that participated for this 12 days emotion challenge. You're going to see a link where you guys are going to be in a group together. Then I'm going to send the formulation, the free formulation I'm going to give to you people for day 1, which is the standard emotion formulation as well. You understand? So starting a paint manufacturing business that suits your country makes it absolutely achievable. Yes, if you've been looking for a profitable skills or business to start, but you are confused about where to begin, or if you're already a painter or a paint manufacturer wanting to level up your skill, then I highly recommend my one-on-one coaching program. You understand? In my coaching section, I teach you exactly what works in the paint manufacturing industry, how to start with the resources you have, and how to build a successful paint brand no matter where you are in the world. Distance is not a barrier. At Glina Paint Institute, we guide you on how to create a profitable business tailored to your country. You understand? And once again, thank you for being part of this amazing journey. I truly appreciate your dedication, passion for learning paint production the right way. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our expert tutorials. Understand? So like this video if you enjoyed the challenge, and of course comment your thoughts and your email if you are a winner. So check the description for the link to the ebooks and the coaching section. Also, don't forget the May Paintpreneur workshop that is coming up on May. The reason I keep talking about this workshop is because I want those of us that have been willing or dreaming what business they have been thinking of to start or to invest, or you have been a paint manufacturer for years, but you don't know how to produce this new method. You understand? You don't know how to get customers to buy your paint. You understand? You don't know what is working again for you in the industry. You have complaints, your paint's been returned back, or you understand, you've been stuck in one particular method in paint production. You understand? So be it wherever you are in the world, you understand, you're going to learn what is working for you. You understand? When it comes to business, it's all about what is working for A might not be working for B, and what is working for C might not be working for A, and what is working in Nigeria might not be working for you in Ghana, or what is working in Ghana might not be what is going to work for you in Germany. You understand? So these courses are designed for what is going to work for you in your own country. So take advantage of it. You understand? The price for the registration is just $50, and once you register, you are going to get my free complete courses. You understand? What? $500. You're going to get it for $50. Yes, the main reason I'm doing this is because I want to reach out to those people that have been inspiring, that have been dreaming, you understand, to learn paint production the right way. And after this workshop, there is not going to be a workshop like this. You understand? So take advantage of it. The link for registration is going to be in the description. You understand? So try, don't just come and watch, you understand, and practice. Also, learn to grow. Come and learn the rightful way to become an expert in paint manufacturing business. Not all about production. What about selling strategy? You understand? What about branding? What about getting people to buy your paint? And of course, producing paint that is going to last for close to 10 to 15 years. You understand? Without color fading. You understand? Without peeling or cracking from the wall. You understand? So I cannot wait to have you in this workshop. You understand? So bye for now.